Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name's Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. This home that you see right here at the end of this cul-de-sac is currently under contract. We're doing a couple things. We're doing a home inspection right now for a client out of state. They are doing a 1031 exchange. So if you guys are looking to reposition your properties out here and don't want to pay the capital gains, reach on out to us. We'll show you exactly how to do that, how to facilitate that deal. If you guys don't have an agent in your state, we will connect you with an agent as well, title company and all that. We try to make your transaction as smooth as possible. So this property right here, we're also doing a home inspection too as well, and I'm doing a video for a client, and I figure why not do a video home tour so that way you can see exactly what you can get out here in Las Vegas. So the list price on here is $409,000. It is 1,400 square feet, 3 bedrooms, and it has a loft, total of 3 bath with a 2-car garage. Now you're probably wondering, why is this thing at $290 a square foot? Well, because it comes down to location, right? Literally right over here we have the outlet mall. Just right across there you have the Las Vegas Strip, okay? You can literally walk to the Strip within 5 minutes. This is a gated community that has a pool, consists of about 132 homes, okay? There's only 4 different type of floor plans that you can pick and choose from. I believe this one is the second largest floor plan. But as far as like location, this is on point. So this is a corner lot. Now what a lot of people will do in this community, and I think it's a brilliant idea, some will take this wall and extend it out a little bit further, okay? And some people put a wall right here all the way across, so that way they have all this whole extra yard space. So that was Ben, the home inspector, with VIP inspection. So if you're ever thinking about getting a home inspection, that is my go-to guy here in Las Vegas. As you can see, we have some tile, carpet, and all that stuff just floating all over the place. The reason why is because they literally just rehab the interior of the home. And these are the type of properties, because of the location, you know, next to the car rental and stuff. Looks like we got a little scuffing right here, but let's go inside. Wow, this home smells a brand spanking new. We have some luxury laminate flooring. They added brand new baseboards here, painted the whole interior of the house. Looks like they have some original cabinets. I know it's a little bit dark. Let's see if we're gonna get these lights on here. There we go. They did a very good job of rehabbing this thing. I know it's a little bit dark, so I apologize, guys. You got, looks like an 8-inch on the baseboards here. The fireplace was upgraded at the time, so it looks like they did some upgrade on the tile. Surprised they didn't clad this all the way up to the top. On this one, they did not use Schluters. You get a better clean look if you did Schluters all the way around. Also, they did the floating cabinet here. You can put a TV here, but typically your TV and all your stuff should go right here, okay? Here's your dining area. Let's take a look at the kitchen. So on this one, very creative. Looks like we have a nice hard composite on the countertops with some nice veining. Original cabinets that have been painted and brand new hardware. But most importantly, look at this. Look how creative this was. They actually used this and did a front waterfall. I don't want to say front waterfall, but a waterfall. So this would be your pantry. See how old this dishwasher is. Original dishwasher. Again, they did some cladding here. Oh wow, they did a undermounted sink. Stain resistant, but you got some corrosion right here going on. Looks like the paint has came off. These homes in this community, Stonehaven, basically homes were built in around like 2006 and up. Now around 2008, half of this community, the builder lost its shorts and half of the community wasn't done. So around like 2010, another builder came in, finished up the rest of the homes. There we go. So this is a pretty decent lot here. One AC unit. They did stamped concrete. Now this one is shaped very well because a lot of them, right, it literally goes out further and it angles in this way and it's narrow here. So this is a better, way better backyard. Pretty large. Here's your side gate here. You got light hairline cracking. That's standard out here in Vegas with the stucco. You have an option for a gas stub. And overall, they did such an excellent job. Here we have our half bath with the pocket doors. Missing some paint right there. Pedestal sink. Looks like they replaced the toilet. Original mirrors. Here is the garage. Additional storage, original door. Well, they did the LVP all the way inside the closet. Original door, original handle here. Upgraded the flooring. Plantation shutters. The louvers now, they make the louvers with the mechanism in the inside. The banister here was an upgrade during the time of the build. They painted this though. This is not the original color. Here's kind of like your little loft area. Now, you are probably like less than 5 minutes to the airport, 2 minutes to the car rental place. You have nothing but shopping and also restaurants all nearby. So this is the primary. Looks like your TV goes here. Now also, one thing I forgot to mention, my clients have not been here before. However, this is the type of service that we do provide, so keep that in mind. Original shower. The floor plan, or pan, is a little bit dirty. Now we do have the original sink, faucet, countertops, and also the cabinets have been painted. We have pocket doors here. This has been upgraded, so this is your closet. Now these are really good for like rentals. And the people that are going to stay here are going to be some long-term renters because of the location. This community does not have too many kids running around here. You got a fiberglass tub. This has been chipped, but that could be filled. Original cabinets. This whole bathroom is all original, besides the flooring. Coming into the third bedroom. These are like 10 by 11. They're not as large. You got the coax cable here, so that's great. Wow, the smart panel box and all that stuff is right here. You got a ceiling fan, plantation shutters. This one is very small. It's probably a 10 by 10. TV goes here. This is in the front of the house. See if I could open this up a little bit more and get you guys more light. Here we go. 9-foot ceilings on the second floor. HOAs are $98 a month. Now, if you guys are interested in properties like this, reach on out to us. We definitely would love the opportunity to earn your business. There's no charge whatsoever for our services. Property taxes, it says here it's $1,664 a year. I mean, you can't go wrong. Imagine buying a brand new home at this price point. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I wish you guys nothing but the best, and be blessed, folks.
If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.